Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Rajni, your science teacher in DAV Police Public School, Kethel. Students, we are on the chapter number 4, acid, base and salt, and I have given you the example of acid and base from our real life examples. So, the other forms of acid in our daily life usage are seen on the screen as lactic acid. It is found in the curd as well as in the milk. Citric acid, as you see here, it is found in the lemon and orange. Acetic acid, vinegar, sirka is acetic acid. Carbonic acid, it is found in the cold drinks. Ascorbic acid, it is found in amla or vitamin C. Tartaric acid is found in turmeric and grapes. Oxalic acid is found in spinach, tomato and guava also. Amino acid, it is found in proteins and pulses. So these are the different types of acids which we use in our daily life, and we are taken as in our diet also. So these are the acids which we can take in our diet because they are not harmful for us, they are exactly useful to us. The other forms of acids are acids on the basis of their source. We have already discussed this. On the basis of the source, we classify the acid into two categories: organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid are the acids which are obtained from the natural substances like citric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid, as we have seen the example of these acids. These are the acids which are found from the plants as well as animals. Mineral acid are synthesized in the laboratory. They are artificially inorganic acid like hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid as well as nitric acid. These are the example of mineral acid. So there is one more category from which we have classified the acids into two types. This is based on the strength. On the basis of the strength, we classified the acid into two categories: strong acid and weak acid. Strong acids, they are corrosive in nature and cause burn on the skin. They are harmful, somewhat harmful for us. If we touch them, they can produce itching and burn our skin also. The acid attacks, we usually hear about the acid attacks in our society. These are the strong acid which cause burn on the skin: sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid. Weak acid or mild acid in nature do not cause any burn. We can take it as in our food also: acetic acid and oxalic acid. So on the basis of the strength, we can divide further the acids into two categories: strong acid and weak acid. Now the properties of acids. Acids, they are sour in taste, they are soluble in water, they can conduct electricity, they are corrosive. You know what the meaning of the corrosion, and can be stored in the plastic and glass container. They are stored in the plastic and glass container because they are corrosive in nature. If we store them in any metal, the metal get corrode due to the acid. So this is about the acid. Next is base. Bases. The bases we found in our real life like sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. We use baking soda in the various type of our food items, like in cake we use this baking soda, and similarly in other items we use this baking soda. Calcium hydroxide or lime water, chuna. Ammonium hydroxide, in window cleaners we use ammonium hydroxide. Sodium or potassium hydroxide, it is used in the soaps. And मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया, इट इज़ यूज्ड एज एंट एसिड. जब हमें एसिडिटी हो जाती है तो एंट एसिड लेते हैं हम, जो एसिडिटी को न्यूट्रलाइज कर दे, यानी एसिडिटी को ख़त्म कर दे, उसको हम बोलते हैं एंट एसिड. मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया. इसकी जगह हम बहुत सारे टैबलेट भी लेते हैं, घर पे हम इनो भी लेते हैं. दे आर द बेस. वो बेस होते हैं जो एसिड को कम कर देता है. जो हम खाने में एसिड यूज़ करते हैं वो हमारी एसिडिटी को कम कर देता है, जैसे कि हम इनो पीते हैं. So these are the various types of bases which we use in our daily life. And again we classify the bases into two categories on the basis of their strength. On the basis of the strength, we classified the bases into strong base and weak base. Strong base like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. weak base like magnesium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. So again we are classifying the bases into two categories. Like the acids, we have two types of acid on the basis of the strength, strong acid and weak base. Similarly, bases are also on the basis of the strength are strong base and weak base. Properties of acid. Acids are slippery in touch, soft slippery touch. Bitter in taste, they also conduct electricity. As acids conduct electricity, they can also conduct electricity. Few bases are soluble in water. Not all bases, only some of few bases dissolve in water, and when they dissolve in water, they form alkalis. When they dissolve in water, they form alkalis. And few bases are not soluble in water, so they do not form alkalis. The bases which dissolve in water are called alkalis. When they are dissolved in water, after dissolving in water, they called alkalis. These are the properties of base. Now there is one more category. We are divide the acid and base on the basis of their taste, on the basis of their touch. Again, there is one more category from which we can differentiate acid and base. We can classify the acid and base into the different category on the basis of indicators. We use indicators to identify the acid and base. An indicator is a substance which show different color in acid and base. In acid and base, the indicator show different color. So we can classify the acid and base on indicator basis also. Indicator are again two types: natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Natural indicator: China rose, turmeric, litmus, red cabbage. China rose, turmeric, litmus, red cabbage, they are natural indicator. जो naturally हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में, नेचर में हमें मिलते हैं, they are called natural indicators. Synthetic indicators जो laboratory में बनाए जाते हैं, मिथाइल ऑरेंज और phenolphthalein, these are the example of synthetic indicator. So natural indicator, again natural indicator, the indicators are the substance which show different color in acid and base. Litmus paper is an indicator. It is an artificial synthetic indicator. When we use a litmus paper, the blue litmus paper turn into red color when it dip into the acid, and red litmus paper turn into blue when it dip into the base. So again, in the next video we discuss about the indicators.